Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to check someone's Instagram account with a photo. So have you ever tried searching someone's Instagram account yet you don't have his or her name, but you have his or her photo? So I'm gonna show you or I'm gonna let you know a way here or method on how to search someone's Instagram with a photo. So this time we're going to exit Instagram and then you have to go to Google, specifically look for Google Lens. And then what you're going to do here is just simply add the picture or add someone's picture here. So you can tap this search from your library or search, and it will take you directly to your albums. And then look for a specific picture. For example, this one. This is just an example. Okay, so this is a picture of that person, and you want to find her Instagram account. So all you have to do is to tap search. Now, once you tap search, and then you will see results here like this person's Pinterest, this person's Facebook, or this person's Instagram. So you just have to keep searching. As you can see, here's the person's Pinterest pictures, and out from this, then you can get this person's name, of course. So what you're going to do here, if you can't see the person's Facebook or Instagram here, then you can get this person's name, go to Instagram, and then search it. Okay, and then you will see the person or someone's account here, hopefully. So by searching someone's picture using the Google Lens, you will see possibly the person's Instagram account or Facebook account or Google account, and with that you will see their names on this social media account. So let's just say if this person has Pinterest, then you can see this person's name right here. And all you have to do is to copy that and then search the Instagram. This is not really 100% working, but at least I gave an idea on how to search someone on Instagram with just their photo. So you have to search for that photo first and then see what will be the results, and then all you have to do is to get the person's name and then try to search it on your Instagram. As easy as that. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.